Hello everybody, now this video will show you how to read and write ROM for the Seagate hard drives with the latest software version of 1.82 and 1. Now I have powered on this drive and this drive gets ready. Now I enter the Seagate Firmware Repair software. Click OK. Now I go to the ROM operations, read ROM. Here, when the hard drive gets ready, we can read ROM by ATA mode, so it's very fast. When the hard drive is not ready and busy, we can read by COM, and without short, we can read with the highest baud rate. Let's read by ATA, and it's very fast. See, ROM read OK. We can also read by COM. Let's try read by COM. See, it's very fast to read this ROM by COM mode too. So this is read by COM by terminal mode. Now ROM read OK. At this time, I will try to write ROM. Write ROM can only by the terminal COM mode without short. Okay, this is 1.12 hard drive, so I select this one. I can use the highest baud rate. Click OK to write the ROM. Now the program starts to write ROM at a very high speed. 9 to 1600, this is the highest baud rate. Now the second step. It's also very fast to write the ROM to the Seagate hard drive by the terminal COM mode. It's very fast, users can see that. Okay, ROM write OK. Now we can power off and power on and see if the drive is OK. Now the drive gets ready and it can be well detected. So this means the ROM read and write are both successful. So this is the method to read and write ROM by the DFL Seagate Firmware Repair tool. Thank you for watching this video.